अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Today I will teach inshallah al asmaul mausula and exercise number 15. Exercise number 15. Al asmaul mausula. Al asma means ismun jama asmaun, name. Ismun jama asmaun, name. Mausula means relative. Mausula means al asmaul mausula, relative nouns. Relative nouns which is called in Arabic al asmaul mausula. Al asmaul. How many are there asmaul mausula? Allazi, allazina, allati, allati, allai. How many? Fives are there. How many? And duals also left. Dual also. Listen, all of you repeat. Allazi, allazani, allazina, allati, allatani, allati. How many are there? Six. This one write in your notebook. Mufrad, Musanna. Musanna means dual. Yes. Jama. Allazi, allazi, allazani, allazina, allazina. These are relative pronoun. These are relative nouns. These are now allati, allati, dual is allatani, allati, and one is allai. Allai. All of you repeat. Allazi, allazani, allazina, allati, allatani, allati, allai. These are asmaul mausula. These are asmaul mausula. Allazi, allazani, allazina, allati, allatani, allati, allai. These are asmaul mausula. Now look at the board. Look at the book. Al asmaul mausula al muzakkar. Muzakkar means male, like I. And in muzakkar two parts are there. One is mufrad, singular, and one is jama, plural. Al mufrad. Look at the mufrad sentence. Manil fatal lazi dakhalal faslal ana. Manil fatal lazi dakhalal faslal ana. Yes, who is the young man who entered the class right now? This is mufrad. This is wahid, singular. Leave. Now al jama. Al jama means plural. Jama means Aisha Ahmad not answering. Okay. Manil fata change into fitya. Fitya. Fata is singular and fitya is plural. Listen. Manil fityatul lazina dakhalul faslal ana. Who are the young men who entered the class right now? Why alladina is coming here? Because al-fitya word is plural. Al-fitya word is plural. Okay. Now second, al-muannas. Muannas means female. Antunna muannas. Antunna muzakkar. Nahnu muannas. Nahnu muannas. Muannas means female. Muannas means female. Which types of female? I have explained in first class, second class, three types of female are there. One is natural feminine. Yes. First is natural feminine. Allah created all lady female like you. Second is double member of the body. And third is round ta, ending letter is round ta. These are sign of feminine, female. Okay. Al mufrad manil fatatul lati dakhalatil faslal ana. Fatat. Fatat means young lady. Fatat means young lady. Who is the young lady who entered the class now? Right now. Who entered the class right now? Al jama. Jama means plural. Manil fatayatul lati. Yes. Fatayat is coming here plural. That's why al-lati is coming. Al-lati is coming. Okay. No. Now listen. I have written already 6 asmaul mausula. Yes. Mufrad, dual and plural. Okay. Allazi, allazani, allazina, allati, allatani, allati, allai. Okay. Now exercise number 15. At-tamrin khamsata ashar. At-tamrin khamsata ashar. In notebook. कव्विन जुमलन मुस्तामिलन अल कलिमातिल आतिया. कव्विन मीन्स मेक. कव्विन मीन्स मेक. जुमलन sentences. जुमलन sentences. मुस्तामिलन by using. मुस्तामिलन. Now in your question paper English note will come. Okay, previous question in question heading Arabic and English both are there, but now only coming Arabic, not coming English. And now I am telling you, keep it in the mind. Kawwin means make, jumalan means sentences, mustamilan by using al kalimatil atiya, following words. Some words are coming below, so these words use in your sentences. Use in your sentences. Okay. Now first word is, write the heading in Arabic. Write the heading in Arabic. Kawwin jumalan mustamilan al kalimatil atiya. Uktubi al-unwan. Uktubi al-unwan. Unwan means heading. Fil Arabi. Fil Arabi. In Arabic. What is the heading? Kawwin jumalan mustamilan al kalimatil atiya. Exercise number 15. Exercise number 15. Okay. First word is Rafa'a. Rafa'a means raised. Rafa'a means raised. Rafa'a means Rafa'a means Rafa'a means yes. Now Zahra Zahir, use this word in your sentence. Rafa'a, raised. No beta, be quiet. Plant. Plant Arabic is nabatun. Yes, last set. What's your name? Afia Mansoor. Umi. Rafa'a means raised. Rafa'a word use in your sentence. Of jumla failure. Of jumla. In jumla failure, three things are there. One is fail, one is fa'il, one is maf'ul bi. One is yes. Aisha Ahmad, Komi. Use this word in your sentence.
Created all the creatures in Arabic. Created khalaqallahu and
Makhluqun.
all.
Kullu makhluqin. Yes. Very good. Very good. Rafa'a at-talibu. What is the translation? A student raised in the class. Which things raise? Yes, yes. Try. Yes. Ahmadun rafa'a yaduhano. Ahmad is male. To use pronoun male. Okay. Rafa'a Ahmadu
Sir, Adam means return, na?
yadahu.
Sir, Adam meaning
Ada meaning raja'a.
return.
Yes. Write all of you. Rafa'a अहमदु यदहु. Ahmad raised his hand. Ahmad raised his hand. Rafa'at Fatimatu yadaha. Rafa'at Fatimatu. Fatima raised her hand. Yes. Ada, ada, adu, adat, adata, udna. Utta, uttuma, uttuma, utte, uttuma, uttuna, uttu, udna. Ada bamana raja. Second word is mamana khalaqa. Maryam, use khalaqa and make sentence. Very easy. Khalaqallahul insana. Afia Mansoor. Your name is Afia Mansoor. What are you doing? Mada taf'alin alan? Khalaqallahul insana. Khalaqallahul insana min tinin. Allah created the human from mud. Okay. After khalaqa, after ada. Ada bamana raja'a. Ada bamana raja'a. Ada adal waladu minal mustashfa. Yes. What? Udna. No. Udna min baiti jaddati without alif lam. Adat. Okay. Right, all of you. आदत. आदत अत तालिबातु. आदत तालिबातु मिनल मदरसती. What is the translation? The female students returned from the school. The female students returned from the school. Ada, ada, adu, adat, adata, udna. Utta, uttuma, uttum, utte, uttuma, uttunna, uttu, udna. Yes. Which maf'ul be? No, without jaddi means my grandfather. Okay, my grandfather, it is muzaf muzafila. If you will enter the alif lam, it is grammatically not correct. Okay, muzaf never takes alif lam. Yes, after that which word? Al jaddu. Al jaddu. Jaddu means grandfather. Jaddu means grandfather. Yes. Yes. शरिबा जद्दी असीरल बुर्तुकाली ऑरेंज जूस. माई ग्रैंडफादर ड्रैंक द ऑरेंज जूस. Dolin means doll. Dumia. Dumiyatun doll. Yes. After which word? Mimma. Mimma. Mimma means from what? मिम्मा खलक़ल्लाहुल इंसाना. मिम्मा खलक़ल्लाहुल इंसाना. After that, after bima. Bima means with what? Hayyata. Hayyata. बिमा कतल तल हय्यता या मुहम्मदू. आफ्टर बीमा आफ्टर लीमा. लीमा मीन्स फॉर वॉट? लीमा लिमा खरजतल लिमा खरजता मिनल फसल. आई डोंट फसली. या तालिबू. One word is left. Amma sa'altal मुदर्रिसा. अम्मा सअलतल मुदर्रिसा. अम्मा सअलतल मुदर्रिसा. उक्तुबी. यस. अल कलिमातुल जदीदा. रिपीट अल कलिमातुल जदीदा. क़ाइमतुन जमा क़वाइमु. लिस्ट. मानन मीनिंग. तीनुन मड. नारुन फायर. अलाक़तुन जमा अलाक़ातुन. ज़ेर कट and put all of you zabar. This word is alaqatun, not ilaqatun. No, Alaqatun, ain up zabar, ain up zabar. Alaqatun jama alaqat. Yes? Connection. Lahzatun, moment. Jarasun jama ajrasun, well. Iddatun, a number of. Hazara, he attended. Khalaqa, he created. Rafa'a, he raised. Ahsanta, well done. Ranna, it rang. Yes. Now revise all of you.